You can be the King Kong hanging on your chest. If King Kong was hanging on your chest, you'll go through the equator and you would die. Andy, what's wrong? Okay. Okay. That video with no name is emojis, so it's just crying emojis. It's like 5,000 crying emojis. No, I seriously counted them as 5,000, but I'm not sure. Yeah, sure. Make one of them. My brother tried to make some sick beats on his DJ thing, but it's not as fun. Yeah, but he messed this up. Okay. Those 26, if 26 people watched my To The Haters, I don't like you. I do, but I don't like you. But not that much. If I got 26 views on that, then I can have 26 subscribers. So please just subscribe. Ask your mom to sign in, or you can sign in yourself. And then subscribe to me. First thing you do. And then subscribe to your other favorite YouTubers. You can probably make your own YouTube channel. Probably.